us last year, I had something happen last year that in all of my years, that last year would have been my 35th spring concert. I had a student write an original work for our band, and that's never happened, okay, before. Well, that student was Spencer Cook. He was a 7th grader, and it was amazing. We were just really blown away that this kid could have this music in him, write all the parts, get them handed out, rehearse the band, and then conduct. Well, this year, he's back, and Spencer, I'm happy to say, has really progressed in this past year, and the song that we did last year was wonderful, but this song here is another whole step above. And so I'm going to let Spencer tell you a little bit about the song, and you can read his bio. He is going to the Interlochen School of Music, and I've never had a student do that before either. And he literally was selected. It's a group of them. It wasn't like he was the only one. I think there were 60 or 100 or 200, whatever it was. But there were 10,000 applicants. And it was an exhaustive process. And I think his teacher, Deb Seidel, his private teacher, would you stand up, Deb? I don't know where you are. There, waving her hand back there, wave. She helped prepare, she prepared him for that interlocking process. So thank you for that. He's an outstanding young man. So Spencer, tell everybody a little bit about this, okay? And then this is not rock and roll, okay, either.
Okay, this song you're about to hear is called The Ruins. It features a lot of percussion instruments throughout. You'll hear some gong, a unique instrument called the vibraslat. And throughout, it'll feature the brass section at one point and the flute section. And if I could quickly thank these guys up here, they've worked really hard, and Mr. Swartz for the opportunity and teaching me how to direct them in the first place. So without further ado, this is The Ruins.